Our first activity for Independence Day is tricolor sandwich. It's a no-cook recipe. All we need is 4 slices of bread. For orange, we need tomato sauce and carrot. Carrot is grated. For whites, we need mayonnaise and cheese slice. For greens, we need slices of cucumber and coriander chutney. We need butter knife for spreading chutneys and sauces. Our first step is spreading tomato sauce on the bread slice. Let's start. Let the kids do it on their own. They love messing up with things. Once done, take grated carrot and spread it on the slice of bread. Everywhere. It's almost done. Wow! You love carrots?
Yes.
For whites, we are using mayonnaise. On the second slice of bread, you may use butter. All the corners, cover all the corners. Good. And it's almost done. Keep your knife aside. Yes, take cheese slice and put it on the bread. Carefully, carefully. Good. For greens, we are using coriander chutney. Spread coriander chutney on third slice of bread. Carefully spread it. Yes, on all the corners. Cover all the corners. Very good. And it's almost done. We are putting cucumber slices on coriander chutney. Take more. This is what we have done so far. Now we'll arrange it in sequence: orange, white and green. Let's do it. We are keeping a plain bread slice on the orange. Very good. Press it well. Good. Now it's turn for whites. Let's finish off the white part. Yes, put it. Wow, great job. Press it well. Good. Let's cover the green part. Yes, carefully, carefully. Use Put it. And here is our sandwich. Here is our second activity, and we need white sheet, green sheet, orange colored sheet, a bamboo stick, a pair of scissors, glue and a blue pen. Let's start. Here is our white color rectangle. For flag, cut orange and green strips for the top and bottom of the flag. Put glue on the orange strip and paste it on the white rectangle. Put it nicely on all the corners. Paste it on the white sheet. Put glue on the green strip and paste it on white rectangle. Paste Ashoka chakra in the center.